tall. This is the back of the eye. You're not sure what that is yet because we haven't learned. But we can open this is the eyelid. We can open it. You can see like the black and the white part of the eye. That's that. And then this so far, hold on now, is the skull. No, switching is. We're trying to get to the brain. As Austin is cutting down a little further, you can see this right here is the liver. And then if you position the camera, this flap of skin right here is the diaphragm.
Just a quick review, because I messed up. These are the small intestines. As you can see, they're coiled up in the center, and they look like a big mess. Don't do that because you're ripping. The large intestines right here, a little bit larger, very fragile. The stomach is this large organ right here. As you can see, there's some space left in there. That's because the stomach is empty. It's like a little puppy thing.
If you look right here,
that little part right there, you can see that's actually the spleen. Is underneath this little flap of fat.
It wraps around the liver. Alright.
I shall cut down here a little bit more.
We're going to continue cutting so that we can
try and open a lot more, get a better view.
If you've noticed, the diaphragm might look a little cut up, but the diaphragm must be cut in order to open up the pig.
I'm gonna be on YouTube, baby.
This is the intestine.
5 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet.
We kind of copied.
No question.
I'm sure it takes that long to absorb the nutrition. Now remember, the old days, if you were making sausage, this was the sausage casing. Okay? And it still is. If you get real live sausage, you go to some of the meat packing places, you still get sausage. It's still making
Is that why you get it in this long?
Like how many throats?
Cut up here more so that I can see how far down you're going. Now we are cutting to enter the lung cavity. There's little red veins, if you can see. We are being very careful to cut through the skin and not hit any organs, and pretty soon we're going to be hitting the rib cage and some other bones.
Alright, I need that.
Here, if you can kind of see, this is the rib cage of the pig. It's kind of hard to see, but the bones are there. And right here, in the center, is the heart. It's a little covered with the fluid, so it's a little brown.
As you can see, right over here, this little flap, that's the lung. Underneath this little flap, and then here's the other lung. This would be the right lung, this would be the left lung. And if you can look even closer, you can see the aorta, which I think I accidentally slipped. But it's blue, that big blue vein right there. And you could also see capillaries and little red veins leading to the heart
and then
from the aorta.
The throat.
Part of the sexy throat.
Okay, so now we have taken out some of the organs. As you can see here, these coily things, which you previously, or will soon view, are the small intestines. Connected over here, Austin, these are the large intestines, correct?
The larger ones are the large intestines, the green stuff.
Are around here. Here, spin these around. As you can see, there are not as many smushed up. Over here we have the liver. If you could turn it over. We have some veins.
The pancreas right here. Or no, gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
It holds the bile, and this is the bile duct connected to the gallbladder.
And it releases, and we'll explain the functions later. Here we have the heart. Here on the sides of the, if you can see the flaps, are the lungs. This vein that travels through here is one of the central. If you go quickly over there and see that's where it was connected before. Here you can see maybe a better view of the lungs, how they're separated, and then the heart.